Hello everyone, this is Jose Torres, and in today's short video, we're going to learn how to use Smarsheet's proofing functionality to greatly facilitate the peer review process or proofing process of, for example, drawing, manufacturing drawings, or any other design that we need to do a peer review on. So here on the screen, we have a short table that is listing several manufacturing drawing numbers. We have the print author, we have the latest version of those drawings, and here as an open field row, we have the weld color reviewer. In this example, we're going to be requesting reviews specifically on welding callouts for our drawings. So the first thing we need to do to start this is to actually activate the proofing functionality in Smartsheets. So we're gonna make our way to the right vertical menu, and right below the attachments icon, we have the proofing icon. What we're going to do is enable this proof on this sheet, and notice that we obtain a new column over here. This is where we're going to add the drawings or the CAD models or anything that we want to be proofed. So we can do that by, for example, clicking here. We have these taskbars here that open up. We can either upload a file by navigating to it directly. So this is my projects folder. I'm going to go on general projects, SPS drawing pack. And for that one, I think that was 2446. So I've uploaded 2446. Let's say I also want to upload 2425. I can also do this by dragging and dropping. So let me get my windows here straight. I can also quickly do this by dragging and dropping. So here, while I select this row, 2425, 2425, and I'm simply gonna drag and drop here. Okay, so we can continue this process until we have uploaded all of the proofs or all of the drawings that we need to review. And that's what I have here in this sheet. We see that each row can only have one drawing, and that's fine. That's all we need. This drawing has 2 pages, so it will also upload those 2 pages nicely. Okay, so now that we have all of our drawings uploaded here, we need to start collaborating. And in the first case, I'm just going to share this entire sheet with someone and ask them to peer review all of these drawings. So I'm simply going to control copy. You can share sheets by simply copying their URL. So I'm going to control copy. I'm going to come here to my Outlook, start a new email. I'm going to email myself just so I get it. jtorres@energyrecover, proofing, request, please and thank you. Hello, can you prove the, let me get my spelling right, the drawings on this sheet? And on this sheet, what I like to do is I like to select this, then I hit Control K, and then I hit Control V because I had copied the URL. So I'm gonna send this to myself. I should get it fairly quick here while it navigates through the World Wide Web. Alrighty, so here, hello, can you prove the drawing on this sheet? I'm gonna click on that. So I'm the recipient of this. I'll log into Smartsheets and boom, I have this. So I'm gonna say, okay, so let me take a look at this one. I'm gonna put my name over here as I'm the weld reviewer, and I'm going to open this up, and I can zoom in to the details here of the drawing. So here's the cool part about this. By simply clicking on an area, I can write comments about that. So I can say, consider using or consider defining the thickness of the bead of the weld bead. So let's say that's there. And so then maybe I want to zoom out over here, and maybe I want to make a note about this call out over here. So I can say, and by the way, you can also use the mention functionality here. So I can mention, for example, Torres. Again, I'm mentioning myself. This is going to send me a notification. So, hey, Jose, um, consider using I don't know, um, a different type of weld because of the lack of space here. All right, and let us just put maybe one more comment, maybe update the correct quantity. Alrighty, so we have 3 comments. I'm going to go ahead and save this sheet, and then I'm going to go back to my original sheet, which is over here. And when I refresh this and I go back to this proofing, boom. So I automatically have all the comments that Jose Torres made. And this happens pretty quickly. I can reply to this and say, yup, will do. Or here we can say, no, this is actually fine. Thanks. So on and so forth. So this is a way we can collaborate amongst each other and quickly turn around peer review processes. Another cool thing about this is that if I go ahead and upload another drawing into the same row that already has a drawing, it's automatically going to add another revision. For example, let's pretend for a minute that I already made all of these 3 changes. I can come over here and create a new version, and then I'm going to upload a file. So let's just say, for example, this is the new file. And of course, these are 2 different parts, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to see that version 1 is locked up. Nobody can write any more comments on this because this version has already been revved up. But we should have both versions, version 1, which is view only, and version 2, which I just uploaded. So this is one way to do the review. If, for example, you need feedback on a specific review, not on all of them on a sheet, or if you need feedback from different people for different reviews, then you can go ahead and click on that one single sheet and you can request feedback. Again, I'm going to use myself, Jose Torres. And this is going to achieve the same functionality, but in a slightly different manner because I have officially requested feedback. Now I have here one response pending. So this is, for example, if we want to get final approval from our supervisors, once for the final review, maybe I can request feedback, and then that person is going to get an email and it's going to prompt them to take action on this drawing. We'll see if that email. So, okay, I got this email from Smarsheet. Please review version 1 of this drawing, review proof. So here I'm going to be brought into a slightly different screen. This one is a lot easier to review and to annotate. So again, focusing on the welding callouts, maybe I can say mention over here, mention Torres. Please make this a thicker weld. Thicker weld. We'll say comment on that one. Um, what else? Maybe we can say on another weld, maybe consider making this complete joint penetration weld. Okay, so all of those are saved, and then when I go back to my original Smartsheets, if I hit refresh, and we navigate to that same drawing, notice that the changes, the 2 changes or the 2 comments that I made are already reflected here. And better yet, we can either approve or change or require more changes here. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Again, this is a functionality in Smartsheets that will greatly facilitate peer review processes. A caveat is that only if you have a business license can you activate the proofing feature. However, anybody can use it after it has been activated. So again, Only the business license users can upload drawings and activate the proofing, but once all the drawings are uploaded, anybody with a free license can use it. Alrighty guys, I'll post this video on the portal and let me know if you have any questions or comments about this feature. Thank you.